Okay, so this is a bath that has had numerous chips put onto it. It's pretty damaged. I'll let you. Yeah, so this bath has got numerous damage. Big black chips there, number down here, a few up the side here, another one there, and one under the tap. So we are going to sort that out. Okay, so this job is now complete. As you can see, no more chips up here, no more damage around the base or the waist or up the side, and again come around the shoulder and under the tap. So another job well done. Okay, so as you can see, pretty good job there. Bath looked like it had a shotgun fired at it, but now good as new. So another good job done by Diamond Gleam. Bath resurfacing and hard surface repairs. Signing off for the day.